According to steakschool.com, a Wagyu is a breed of beef cattle originating in Japan. It literally means Japanese cow. So Wagyu are significantly different to the other, traditional breed of British beef meat. Wagyu are medium-sized, hardy cattle with great temperament and unique meat quality attributes. Now, Wagyu is popular around the world because of its superior eating quality compared to other breeds of cattle. Not only does Wagyu beef has higher levels of intramuscular fat, or they call it marbling, but the meat texture is finer, resulting to a more flavorsome eating experience, guys. So you don't get Wagyu beef anywhere. They all originated from Japan. So ang business partner natin ngayon is actually a supplier of Wagyu beef dito sa Pampanga. So if you're interested to, get supplies from them, make sure to check out their fan page. We're gonna be flashing it on your screens right now. Na nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, guys, I am really excited because our food came from KÜCHE. So if I'm not mistaken, based on our orientation, it's a German word for kitchen. Okay, so let's cut into the chase. Let's get into the discussion, guys. Let me introduce them to you one by one. So ito po ang kanilang SISIG Wagyu. This is their SISIG Adobo. Next is the SISIG Barbecue. And then next is the SISIG Inasal. Lastly, SISIG Samgyupsal. So yung SISIG Samgyupsal nila, guys, you don't need to add anything. All the ingredients for a Samgyupsal is already here. Kailangan na lang natin dyan lettuce. Okay. And then we also have two rice burgers here. Meron tayong burger Wagyu, and then the other one is chicken burger. So let me start with this one. Look at that. Wow. Ooh, wow. Rice burger Wagyu. Wow, grabe nga, guys. This is not the usual beef patty we get from, an ordinary beef burger. This is so flavorful. Ang sarap ng pagka-grill ng beef Wagyu natin. Sandwich from the rice, our eggs, and of course our beef Wagyu. And then yung sauce niya, guys, it is absolutely, it smells really good. Next I want to taste is yung kanilang SISIG Wagyu. So, based on our orientation, guys, you really have to squeeze the lemon or yung calamansi natin. Again, mind you, guys, this is not your typical beef, your typical, SISIG meat. It's a Wagyu. Ooh. Wow. What can I say? It is absolutely, it's a SISIG Kapampangan. It doesn't have any egg. Yung meat na ginamit, guys, is Wagyu. So, it adds so much flavor sa SISIG natin. This is their SISIG Adobo. Oh, wow. Adobong adobo. Actually, guys, medyo nagulat ako doon, no? And the next is our barbecue. Let's try the barbecue. Wow. Ooh, wow. Okay. And then last two food package. This is their inasal. Inasal nga. Grabe. I can imagine, the chicken oil, the rice. Oh wow. And then lastly, guys, ito ang kanilang samgyupsal. So, how do you do your samgyupsal? Of course, you need the lettuce. And then, kagaya nga sinabi ko dun sa first part ng vlog natin, guys, SISIG samgyupsal natin, has everything in it. As I always say, if it's samgyupsal, all in one bite. So once again guys, we would like to thank KÜCHE for sending us amazing Wagyu dishes. Meron tayong Filipino style, meron din tayong Korean style, and we have rice burger style here. Let me just read some information about them. No, so for orders and delivery, these are for your orders and delivery guidelines. No, they are accepting orders per batch. They are requiring advance orders for 2 days ahead of your delivery date, your supposed delivery date. And then placing of orders are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Cut-off times are 8 a.m. up until 6 p.m. Ooh, wow! There you have it guys. Again, thank you so much KÜCHE for sending us these amazing Wagyu dishes guys. What else can you ask for? It's Wagyu, it's delicious. So guys, order na kayo. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and any reactions will be appreciated from you guys. I'm still gonna enjoy this off camera. Thanks for watching. We're in Pampanga. See you in the next vlog.